We drink water every day, but we don't really think about the safety of the water. Lead in water is a really common water issue in North America nowadays. London, Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, many Canadian cities have been finding lead in our tap water. Our neighbor, the United States, faces the same problem. What even worse is that many of our children are diagnosed with a high lead level in their blood due to the city water. So the Health Canada is thinking to make a stricter regulation to lower the maximum acceptable lead level in water. You may wonder how lead gets into our tap. Actually, comes from the corrosion of the lead pipes that brings the water into each house. So the best way to deal with this issue is to replace all the lead pipes. But it would take at least 50 years and cost millions of dollars. The alternative solution is to control the lead release by changing the chemistry of water that flows through the lead pipes. But the options for adjusting water chemistry are very narrow, as the water needs to be drinkable. And in some cases, unexpected consequences are observed. For example, here in London, we changed the water pH, but lead started to dissolve. And in Washington, D.C., chlorine disinfectant was replaced, but again, lead started to dissolve. So as we can see, the lead dissolution is a really complex problem with severe health implications. So my research came in and tried to understand some of this process and try to establish the chemical mechanism of the lead dissolution in water. How have I done this? Lab work. The lead corrosion product is a mixture of several compounds. To figure out the main phases that regulate the lead releasing process, I collected the solid sample from the old lead pipes that were digged out from the several Canadian water distribution systems. Further dissolution experiments were performed with these major phases and water to mimic what happened in the lead pipes. And I find that chlorine can strengthen the chemical bond in the lead compound and to prevent the lead dissolution in water. Sudden switch to another type of disinfectant will disturb this process and result in more lead release into our water. This is really important for the water industry, that we have to be really careful about the changing in water chemistry. Hopefully, my research can help to protect our community. Thank you.